Hello and welcome to Housey. I'm Vidya and today I'm thrilled to reveal the teaser of an ultra luxurious premium residences project which is the Mahindra Zen Phase 2. And this project is your ultimate luxury project with world-class amenities and also providing you breathtaking views. As you can see, the Mahindra Zen Phase 2 project is actually located in the Manipal County Road, and today I'm standing here at the actual location of the project. And as you can see, this is the road that connects to the property, and this is the neighborhood right next to the property. And now coming back to our location details, share with you. So in this video, we will be discussing the booking process, the location, the amenities, the flat configuration, and the exclusive launch offers and discounts. So let's get started. So the Mahindra Zen Phase 2 is spread across a land parcel of 2.1 acres, which is actually prime real estate, and this property consists of about 150 luxury residences, and these luxury residences consist of a basement, ground floor and 25 floors. As you can see, it's a lovely property and a lovely neighborhood, and this property offers breathtaking panoramic city views, spacious well ventilated homes with premium interiors and limited edition residences for an elite lifestyle. As you can see, right in front of you is the sales office. So do drop in for your queries and the sales team will be more than happy to assist you. The Mahindra Zen Phase 2 is located in the Manipal County Road, as you can see, and this is located in one of the prime locations in Bangalore, which is very close to some of the major IT hubs, and this property also has a close proximity to some of the upcoming metro stations and lifestyle spaces, and this property is also very close to some of the top schools, hospitals and malls in the location. The Mahindra Zen Phase 2 offers premium luxury amenities, and these amenities include a clubhouse, infinity pool, state-of-the-art gym and yoga deck, indoor games area, kids play area and relaxation zone and many more. Now the Mahindra Zen Phase 2 comprises of 3.5 and 4 BHK apartments. The 3 BHK plus 3P has 1,950 square feet, the 3.5 BHK has 150 square feet and the 4 BHK has 2,410 square feet. Now coming to the booking process and the offer launch and discounts that are available, you can contact our team today and they will help you book a free site visit, and you can actually get a tour of the location. Our sales team will also assist you with the project details, the pricing options and the payment options available, and our team will also be more than happy to assist you with the banking and finance options that are available. And now coming to the expression of interest, if you like your dream home here in the Mahindra Zen Phase 2, you can submit an EOI form and block your dream home, and the customers who submit an expression of interest will receive exclusive launch discounts and offers and also priority unit allotment. So this was the exclusive teaser of the Mahindra Zen Phase 2 located in the heart of city of Bangalore, and this luxury project, you can avail all the details about this project by clicking on the link below that includes the pricing options, the payment options, the e-brochure with all the project details. So what are you waiting for? Do not miss out on this exclusive launch offer, and if you like this video and want to see more such interesting videos with other luxury properties available in Bangalore, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.